Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Chevy GMC's 2002 to 2009 Trailblazer and Envoy.
Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards.
Step 2. Lift up your vehicle's body. Our part features perforated plates that you can remove to fit over your center body mount and fuel tank support bracket. If you decide to keep your mount or your bracket, remove the plates at this time. If not, cut off the mount. There will be 2 plates on the back for the fuel tank support bracket. After removing the necessary plates, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Spray the work area with a well-through primer to help preventing its rust development. Step 3. Take your replacement center frame section and slide it onto the frame using the frame holes to help with the alignment. Tap it into place using a mallet. You can use C-clamps to secure your part, ensuring a tight fit. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld your center frame section onto the frame before welding it on fully. If you removed your center body mount or fuel tank bracket, we show you how to reinstall it with the installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend a Rustbuster rust converter and primer spray paint. Reinstall your vehicle's body. Then you're done!